Hello everyone, I'm Debora Bonucci of the British Red Cross, and I'm joined today by Stephen Phillips from Arup to tell you about a systematic process to develop a handwashing facility to improve handwashing behavior in humanitarian crises. Our project goal is to create an handwashing unit that can enable handwashing behavior. You are more than aware of the impact of handwashing with soap and water on reducing the risk of transmission of diarrhea and pneumonia in post-emergency situation. We know that there is a lack of handwashing units in the emergency catalog of the humanitarian agency, and we wanted to create an effective and equitable handwashing units for the use in humanitarian emergency, which can enable handwashing behavior. This is the iterative phased process that we conducted to develop the handwashing units. The process is as follows. First, we conducted a research to understand the problem, handwashing behavior, with the help of research funding from the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. We conducted field visit in Uganda, observation and consultation with the refugees community, and meeting with other humanitarian sector stakeholders. We took the time to really understand the current situation, local availability of material, and local manufacturing capability. Over to Stephen.
Thanks, Debora. Then, stakeholders conducted a user requirements survey as well as a strengths and weakness analysis of existing hand washing hardware used in this realm, as well as some products in development. Here we see just some of the products used today. This provided high-level insight into hardware effectiveness. Following this, the user requirements were collected and used to generate a requirements brief. Product design concepts to meet the brief were developed and iterated. WASH stakeholders agreed on which concept to take forward and develop. The designs were refined, prototyped, and trialed. As an open source product, we wanted the design to be available for anyone with the right materials and equipment to make Jengu. To test this, 3 different manufacturers used the design information to make the first Jengu prototypes. The product family included versions for adults, children, and people of reduced mobility. Intentionally, the unit looks like a hand washing facility. It's supplied from a water container or supply located on the ground via a rubber foot pump. It incorporates bar or liquid soap and a range of security features. It is made of robust materials and connections, incorporating a metal mirror to enhance desirability. Initial testing was conducted on Dartmoor by the Royal Engineers, followed by tests in Uganda. Units were deployed in the UK as part of our response to COVID-19. Recently, we have collaborated with Save the Children to locally produce and deploy 250 Jengu units to informal settlements in Nairobi. A similar project is commencing with the IFRC and British Red Cross in Sierra Leone for cholera and COVID-19 preparedness and response. They will be used to understand Jengu's effectiveness. Local manufacturing supported the development of local skills and enterprise. It also helps to reduce import, customs and duty time and costs, and reduces the logistical carbon footprint. You can find more detailed information on the Jengu website, jengu.org.uk. Thank you.